In this video, let me show you how we can close the pop-up blocker on the iPhone. So we need to go to Settings app on our device, and if you have been doing anything else before, come back to the main settings page. And at the bottom of this main view, you get to see the apps in here, and from those, you get to select the Safari. So it's sorted alphabetically, and we need to just find our web browser. So again, it is Safari like this. We click on it this way. And as you can see, plenty of things to go through and changes to be made, but we are looking for the pop-ups, and a part of the general section within Safari settings, we have block pop-ups toggle. There isn't much else to it other than enabling it or disabling it. So if you currently block your pop-ups like I do, you can kind of like stop or close the blocking process by disabling it this way. And at that point, pop-ups are allowed and you can get in touch with them or find them while browsing. So I like to keep it turned on, but that's of course up to you. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if that was the thing which you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.